web dev class. So this is my landing page, which is login. So I'm gonna log in and show you how my project works. Login. So after logging in, it leads to the dashboard. So in dashboard, we can see the total number of courses that register and the total number of students in our system. And then we have the GPA distribution, which tell us the statistic of enrolled student. So now we only have one student with GPA X of 3.0 and one student with the GPA X of 4.0. If we scroll down, we can see the total courses, the courses in our system, as well as the top student. So these top students are displayed based on their GPAs, so it's sorted. Now let's go to course. So in Manage Course tab, there's a table which tells us the courses in our system. So now we only have one course, so let's try adding a new one. Let's say Gen 1-to-1 Beauty of Life, in learning about appreciation, maximum number of students 45, lecturer Jenny. Let's say Jenny. Okay, now I can click reset if I want to remove all the filled information, or I can click review. So in order to save time, I'll just click review by now. So after clicking review, it shows me the data that I just inserted. Gen 1-to-1 Beauty of Life, learning about appreciation 45, Jenny. So everything is there, everything is ready to work. Okay, process continued. Now it shows me the data. It shows me the course that I just inserted. Now it has two courses here. So let's go to see the dashboard. So in dashboard, now we have two students as well as two courses. So it was one course earlier, and now it changed into two courses because I just registered a new one. So what we can do more in Manage Course is that we can click Action, and then here we have three tabs: Update, Delete, or View. So let's try with View first. In View, you can see the course information and the course data, as well as the enrolled students. So enrolled student table tell us which student enroll in this course. So now we have two students, William and George. They enroll in CSC200. All right. So delete and update, I will show you later. So let's go to student. So student tab, it has a table. It shows us the student, the student that are inside the system. Now we have only two students. We can add one, let's say John Doe. Student ID, let's give a random ID. And then the GPA, let's say 3.0. So courses. So this is a drop down and it's connected to the course database. So if we add more course in course database, the more courses will be shown in this drop down list. If we remove, it will show less. Okay, now we can select or deselect. So let's try to enroll to Beauty of Life. Okay, click review, Beauty of Life. Okay, everything is set. Continued. Now John is now inserted to the database and enroll to course table. So we can go to course, click action, view. Now we can see that John is enrolled to the Gen 1-to-1, and we can see it from the course page, view course page. So let's try to update in student. Update, let's say John Doe, Johnny, or maybe John edited. Okay, we cannot change student ID in courses because due to the school regulation. I'm sorry. So okay, review. It show us the edited information which is inside there. Process. Continue. Now John, the name is now changed. We can check in the course again. It also changed here. All right. So that's view and update. Now let's try to delete. So maybe let's try William to delete. Delete William George. So it show us the information of the student. We click delete. Now it's gone. Let's check the dashboard. In dashboard, now we only have 2 students. It was 3 students before, now it's only have 2 students. And we can go to course. We can click the CSC200 view. Now William is removed from the course because William has been removed from the student database. All right, so that's view, delete, and update from student side. We can apply the same thing to the course. Let's say we try to update the beauty of life. So let's say beauty of nature. We change the title to beauty of nature. Review, beauty of nature. Correct? Okay. Now we can check from the student. John, it's now enrolled to the beauty of nature. So it also affects when you add. So when we add, now the name is changed to beauty of nature. All right. So the next thing is that let's try to delete. So here we have a John, right? John is enrolled to the course. But if the course has been removed, if the course has been removed, John will be also removed because if we check the John again, John only apply to this course. So if the course is removed, John will be also removed. So we're going to delete the course. Wait, let me confirm again. Jan 121, beauty of nature, delete. Now the course has been removed. We check the dashboard. There's only one course register. That's cool because we just removed course. And John is also removed because John only enrolled to the course. And since the course has been removed, the student will be also removed. And another thing to show is that the website is responsive. So you can see here it is responsive in all type. Update, it's responsive. Delete, responsive. View is responsive. Dashboard is responsive as well. Look, it's responsive. And cost, the same thing. Everything is responsive. I just created. All right. So yeah, that's all for my website, the project, the mini project that I created for web dev class. So thank you for paying attention. So yeah, have a nice day.